I asked ChatGPT what are the best invoicing apps for Swiss freelancers, and after giving me a long list, I asked which ones are specifically built for freelancers in Switzerland, and I got these 3 options. And so today we're testing Smallinvoice. I actually just recorded a video testing it, and it was so complicated that I had to restart the video to just give a better impression. So Smallinvoice looks like this. In configuration is where you can set some of your data, add your banking information. We'll do this now. You can add your IBAN here, but you can also, and I'm just copying this here, you can also, and I'll just change the language back to English. So the app is available in English, French, and German. Unfortunately, no Italian, but at least most of the Swiss languages. And one thing I've been totally unable to do is, let's have a look at it, is to create an invoice. So here you have some tutorials, that's nice. But if you create an invoice, select test customer. I was trying to create a QR code invoice, and that's been completely hopeless. You can select the language of the invoice, that's really nice. And you can add items to your invoice here. I'll just put an item at 1,000 francs. Again, the VAT rate is the historic rate. It's very strange. They should change that. This is not the accurate rate anymore. And now we have here the invoice, but again, no QR code. Maybe this is in payments. QR bill, that's I think what we want, but somehow I can't add it. So I will try to enable QR code again. So now I've added a QR code bill. So if we go back to our invoices and go back to payment, this is to enter a payment, but we just want to change the information. This app is incredibly complex to use. Okay, I'm just going to start a new invoice. So here I go into payment, and now here QR code bill. Perfect. And I can pick to either add it on an additional page or on the last page. So now there's a second page with a QR code bill at the end, which again, I'm not a big fan of. Let's just download this if we can. So it means the user sees that, and then on the second page, they have the QR code bill, but there's space here, so it could be put here without too much issues. They have some project management as well, mostly just the ability to enter working hours, and then you can associate those working hours with a customer. You can create projects, associate the project, website project, and then I'm guessing when you track time, you can say this time, if we go to all our times, is a project, so you can associate it to your project. But still then, I don't know how to create an invoice from that. But if we have a look at the other features, okay, there's some payrolling features, some VAT statement. It's not clear how exactly this works, but it should work. Pricing is starting at 15 per month for just invoicing. And then at 30 per month, you get also the expensing, which might be important for most people, as well as the ability to export your data. And finally, for 45, you get also the project features. But having had a look at them, you probably are better off paying the 15 francs for another specific time tracking tool that has a Chrome extension or maybe a mobile app and so on. So that was a test for Smallinvoice. I would not recommend it. I don't know why ChatGPT recommended it, but at least now it gives you a good overview of how that app works and looks.